Hello everyone and welcome to jgcancook. Today I am going to make healthy yet tasty South Indian recipe that is uttapam. So the ingredients required are sooji, curd, eno or baking soda, capsicum, onions and salt as per taste. Ingredients are also given in the description box. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first we need a bowl in which we are going to add 2 cups of sooji. We will sieve the sooji as we will add it into a bowl. Now we will add salt. I am adding approx half tablespoon of salt. You can add as per taste. Then we need to add 1 cup of curd. Mix it well with the sooji. After that we are going to add water. We will add the water gradually and mix it. The consistency of the batter should be very smooth, like an idli batter consistency. Now we will cover it and will keep it for 10 to 15 minutes so that the sooji get fermented. Now we will chop 2 small onions and 1 capsicum into small pieces. So after 10 to 15 minutes, the sooji is fermented and it has absorbed the maximum water. So now we will add more water to balance its consistency. Mix it well while adding the water. Now we have retained the consistency of the sooji. Now we are gonna add 1 packet of eno. So guys, we need to add 1 tsp of eno and 1 packet contains 1 tsp, or you can also add baking soda. To activate the eno, we will add little water over the eno and we'll mix it well. So now the batter is ready. Now we will take a pan and grease it with oil. Now we will wipe it with a tissue. Let it heat. Now add approx 2 spoons of batter and spread it evenly. The layer should be semi-thick. Now add the chopped onions and capsicums. You can add any vegetables of your choice. So guys, as you know that as soon as we flip the uttapam, the vegetables get separated. So to avoid that, I am going to add 1 spoon of batter over with the vegetables and will spread it with a spoon evenly, so the vegetables get covered. Then I am adding some oil. I am using brush so that the uttapam remains healthy. Now we will cook it for 5 minutes on medium flame and then we will flip it. You can see the light golden brown texture. Now I am brushing some more oil on the other side and it will be cooked in 5 minutes. We will press it gently and after 5 minutes we will flip it and you can see that the vegetables have turned golden brown and it is ready to serve. So guys, just remember to wipe the tawa after every uttapam and try to use non-stick pan. Also, if you have big tawa, you can make 2 to 3 mini uttapam at once. Just you need to follow the same steps as before. vegetables, you can use carrots, capsicums, onions, and conchs if you like.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야, 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네. 너 때문에 I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy.
So guys, if you like this recipe, do give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your family and friends, and do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell button to get post notifications. Thank you guys, your love and support keeps me motivated. Bye.